You are listening to the Debug School podcast, powered by Debug School of Tech. It's not about code, it's about clarity. Today we're going to talk about something really practical, which is how your personal skills can guide you to the right path. How your personal skills can guide you to the right path. So these are skills that you've developed either from your previous job, either from a book, or either from something you just develop personally. Most beginners think tech is only for people who are just naturally technical, but it's not true. Tech needs all kind of people, and your natural strengths can actually point you towards the roles you will enjoy and excel in. So I'm just going to list some key personal skills, about 10 different personal skills that you have. You just don't know that you have some of those skills inside of you, and I'll tell you how the skill fits into different technical role. So the first one I have with me is research and curiosity. Now, if you love digging into problems, asking questions, making research, going online, trying to read some articles, trying to make findings, trying to get answers, and exploring, you would make a great UX designer. You would make a great user experience designer or a business analyst. Now, both roles are about understanding people, business needs, and problems before jumping into solutions. So if you're a great researcher and you're very curious, user experience designing and business analysis is for you. Another personal skill we have is creativity and visual thinking. If you love designing, imagining, and creating visuals, UI UX design or front-end development could be your playground. You will get to make products that look and feel amazing. The next one is problem solving and logical thinking. Now, if puzzles excite you, you like figuring out why things break, you might love software engineering, you might love data analysis or DevOps. Now, these roles, they involve identifying problems, testing solutions, and sometimes thinking outside the box. Each challenge solved is a mini win, so which keeps things fun and engaging. So another one is communication and storytelling. So you're great at explaining ideas, writing clearly. You could consider product management or content design or technical writing. Now your role will be to make complex things simple for others to understand, like explaining how an app works, documenting processes, or persuading teams and users why a solution matters. So moving on, we have organization and planning. Now, if you enjoy creating order out of chaos, managing tasks, and coordinating people, think of project management or product manager. You plan timelines, you track progress, and make sure the team eat their goals. People who naturally organize and structure things really well, they often excel in this sector. Then we have the empathy and people skills. If you love understanding others' needs and helping them succeed, roles like UX researcher, customer success manager, or HR tech specialist, they fit perfectly into these personal skills. You will listen to users or employees, help them identify problems, and design experience that make their life easier. Another one is numbers and analysis. Now, if you enjoy working with data, spotting patterns, and making sense of numbers, data analyst, data scientist, or business intelligence specialist could be the right path for you. You will be able to translate numbers into insights, help companies make smarter decisions, and sometimes even predict trends before they happen. Another one is attention to detail. Now, this is one of the most amazing personal skill, which is very rare for most people. Attention to details. So if you notice small things that other people miss, so you should consider quality assurance tester, security analyst, or even technical writer. Now these roles need precision. One small error can break an app or mislead users. So your careful nature, your careful talent, your amazing talent will be a huge asset. So another one is teaching and mentoring. So if you love to teach people, helping others learn, it's something that excites you, you can become a learning experience designer, a tech educator, or developer advocate. You create courses, tutorials, or content to help others grow, and you'll be shaping the next generation of each talent. Now, the last one on my list is entrepreneurial mindset. If you're curious about business, growth, and innovation, roles like product manager, startup founders, or business analyst, they fit naturally. You will spot problems, test ideas, even before building anything, and you build solutions that people usually want. Your risk-taking and curiosity about impact will guide your work. See, there is a tech path for almost every personal skill, and these are just little out of millions of all personal skill. You don't have to force yourself into coding if it's not your thing. Instead, just look at what you're already doing, what you enjoy doing, what is already part of you. You can start with that. As time goes on, you're free to pivot into another area, but at that point in time, you know you've mastered a skill. And having a personal skill and then you're able to fit it into a technical skill, it becomes very easy for you to learn the technical skill and get better at it, and your journey in tech will feel less overwhelming and much more fun. Now the key is to understand yourself first. What do you love? What comes to you naturally? Once you know that, picking a tech path becomes a lot easier.